KJ West One is one of the world's leading hi-fi high-end retailers. We've been around for 60 years. This year is actually our anniversary. We believe that we carry brands that represent the best of technology of high-end in the world. Today we are delighted to welcome team of WADAX, which is a renowned brand in high-end world for their second-to-none digital sources. We have a reference system which is going to be presented by Javier, the creator of the brand and the technology. So what we believe is the best of the best.
It's our honor to be at the 60th anniversary of KJ. We are taking this chance and opportunity to present the what we call the Level VIII of the WADAX system, which is the flagship of our current technology and of the products that we are currently producing. This is the first time it's demonstrated in Europe. So it's my pleasure to do it here with you, and this is a special event for the 60th anniversary.
Particularly in the last few years with WADAX, the studio player was a revelation for us. We were playing things that normally on our systems tend to be not enjoyable to listen to. It is one of the very few products on the market that has allowed me to enjoy my digital collection in a way that normally I haven't been able to do. It gets me far closer to the analog that I love than any digital really has. This is why these events are so interesting for me, because I don't tend to bring audiophile music. I tend to bring things that everyone's heard before many times, but hopefully you've heard a track that you know to death in a way that you've never heard it before, and that kind of, ignites the enthusiasm for what we do.
We are honest because we're not really connected to a certain brand. We are connected to a certain quality.
Developing the reference line was really thrilling. It has been a real passion to go from the Level 1, get up to the Level 8, adding different elements and enjoying what actually each of these steps bring to the music, and at the same time the excitement and the emotion.